In March 2011, Lord of the Rings director Peter Jackson started production on the movie adaptation of The Hobbit. This is a story of The Hobbit no one wants to talk about. Willie Baggins.
So, Willie, do you have any enemies here in the Shire?
Well, your boy Willie really don't have any enemies, man. When I'm walking around the Shire, I'm pretty much peaceful with everybody. But there is, one motherfucker that I really don't like to see, and that's fucking Gandalf. Let me tell you something, man. Punk-ass Gandalf tried to get his ass in some family business. Willie needed some money, so I went over to fucking Frodo's house. I said, hey, Frodo, let me hold that ring. Whoop, I'm invisible. Now I know how the motherfucker work, so I'm knocking on niggas' houses. Whoop, going invisible, going in they shit, stealing shit, you know what I mean? Making my money. My cousin looked out. Why the fuck is Gandalf in this shit?
Do you still have the ring?
Nah, man, too much heat on that ring, baby. Too much heat. Your boy put in work on that ring. So I just sold that shit to Gollum, man. The crackhead ass nigga. You know how they be.
Gollum?
Yeah, the little nigga be running around. Motherfucker like a goddamn piece of burnt ass furniture.